Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to fix earpods not connecting to iPhone. So, let's get started. Firstly, make sure that your earpods have sufficient battery charge or place them in the charging case and check the charge level using the battery status light on the front of the case or by checking the battery widget on your iPhone's home screen. After that, simply restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve connectivity issues. Restart your iPhone by holding down the power button until the slide to power off slider appears. Slide it to power off, then hold the power button again until the Apple logo appears. Now simply forget the earpods. All you have to do is on your iPhone go to the settings, Bluetooth, find your earpods in the list of device and tap on the eye icon next to them. Then tap forget this device and confirm. After forgetting the earpods, try reconnecting them by opening the case near your iPhone. Now, reset your earpods. To reset your earpods, place them in the charging case and close the lid. Wait about 15 seconds, then open the lid and press and hold the setup button on the back of the case until the status light flashes amber a few times, then flashes white. And if none of these methods work, then simply go to the settings app on your mobile device and scroll down and tap on the general option available in there. Then, inside the general, scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, and inside Reset, tap on Reset Network Settings. If none of the above steps work, then Reset Network Settings will reset Wi-Fi networks and passwords, cellular settings and VPN settings. So that is it. By following these steps, you can definitely connect your earpods to your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.